So as everyone knows, it's a long pending issue.
Okay.
A lot of people, it took us quite a while to get it done. We had to get a lot of procedure was there to be done. We had to get a stability reports and everything. So now it's finally ready to come down. We've appointed a contractor from the corporation side. What we've told him is now not to cause any inconvenience to the school. Basically, we want all the work to get done by Sunday. Because all the students have their syllabus and everything they need to catch up with. So we're trying to get that as rushed as possible. We just want to thank everyone for their patience also. But it's finally coming down. Thank you for
Basically, we have planned to divert the traffic from the traffic which is intending to proceed towards Donapal. So we will be diverting from Toka.
Yeah.
And similarly, traffic coming from Donapal towards Miramar, we will be diverting that Science Center to other circle, and then they can proceed.
We are hoping by Sunday everything will be done.
Okay.
Latest by Monday.
Okay. Latest by Monday.
Latest by Monday.
So it will take 2 days time to clear
It will
off.
take 2 days. We've issued a tender for around 10 lakhs. Those
10.
details I will give you.
Okay, okay.
So when the scrap is thing, we'll take it onto the truck and we'll need to collect it and put it somewhere.
Okay.
So, फाल्या school आसा न्ही स्कुलाचे
Okay. There is a principal of Sharda Mandir. Yeah, ma'am.
Principal of Sharda Mandir School, Sharmila Umesh. We've been talking to Rohit since quite a few days, as well as the traffic guys. And this is a project that we've all been waiting to happen. It's been a problem for us. It's been a white elephant over here and a big risk for our students. None of our students use this because it's too steep and there's a chance of them falling. So we've never allowed our students to go up, and because of traffic etc, it's always been a white elephant over here. So when Rohit came and said we want to demolish it, we said we are very happy. We don't mind giving a holiday to our students so that the work gets over fast. Now they have promised us that they're going to start the work today and that they'll try their best to finish it by Sunday evening. We've already given a holiday to the entire staff tomorrow so that there is no traffic issue tomorrow. Sunday evening we'll take a call again, like Rohit has said. Rohit has been our student in Sharda Mandir, so he is for the students.
Yeah.
He wants to give them a holiday on Monday also. But I'm from the teacher's side saying let's see whether we can finish it by Sunday. Worst comes to worst, we'll take a decision on Monday whether we have school or not.